Attention drivers, would you like to build your own customer base and keep every single penny they give you? You heard that right. By using this app, you'll be able to keep all the money, no cuts, no taxes, and no lies. It's frustrating, isn't it? Driving all day, having to deal with rude customers, working very hard just to give 30 to 75% of all your profits to taxi and ride-sharing companies. We don't think that's fair, and we've created something that will help you make some extra money on the side or even work full-time. No greedy executives, no lies, no cuts. You can use our app without paying anything, and you'll be able to keep every single penny. Although, as we're sure you know, it would be impossible to maintain such an app without any kind of financial support. This is why our app will rely on your donations. You can pay any amount of money at any time, whether you want to do it daily, weekly, or it's up to you. It is time for growth and change, and this will propel you forward. Are you ready to take the next step and start making some serious money for yourself and your family? Don't worry, you can work using this app even if you're already employed to a taxi or ride-sharing company. It's perfect. Click the following link to sign up to our app and start working for yourself.